In this intriguing clip, we witness a woman acting strangely in front of a home security camera. At first glance, her behavior may appear eerie and unsettling. However, upon further investigation, it is revealed that the woman is actually the neighbor of the homeowner who recently installed new cameras. Her intention behind the peculiar behavior was simply to playfully scare or surprise the homeowner. While the initial impression may have sparked curiosity and even fear, it is a reminder that not everything is as it seems.
You're being recorded. Smile, you're being recorded. Smile, you're being recorded.
Hey. It talks. Oh shit balls. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Shake it again.
In this alarming clip, we witness a shocking incident as a random woman approaches a house in the middle of the night with the intention of stealing a dog. The footage captures her attempting to snatch the furry companion left unattended outside the house. The homeowner's security measures proved effective in deterring the theft, as the woman's actions were caught on camera. This serves as a reminder to always prioritize the safety and security of our beloved pets, ensuring they are properly supervised and protected. In this heartwarming clip, we witness a playful homeowner engaging in a delightful interaction with his dogs. Initially, it may seem like an intruder attempting to enter a home, but as the footage progresses, it becomes clear that it's just the homeowner imitating the behavior of his furry companions. The dogs playfully observe their human counterpart, creating a fun and light-hearted moment. In this next clip, we witness a peculiar encounter as a woman approaches a house in the middle of the night. Instead of displaying suspicious behavior, she surprises us by showering compliments on the homeowner's dog. While the timing may seem unusual, it appears that the woman's intention was simply to express admiration for the furry companion. Perhaps she couldn't resist the urge to appreciate the charm and loyalty of the canine friend, regardless of the late hour.
I'm Amber. I just wanted to tell you, your dog is cute, but and I've never been more busy in my life.
Okay.
In this cautionary clip, we witness the consequences of excessive drinking. As the footage unfolds, we observe an individual who appears to be heavily intoxicated, stumbling out of a property and eventually falling into nearby bushes. This serves as a reminder of the potential dangers and risks associated with alcohol consumption. It's important to drink responsibly and take care of our well-being. In this clip, we observe an elderly lady approaching her neighbor's house and engaging in an animated and seemingly angry conversation. While it is challenging to determine the exact circumstances, it is possible that the elderly lady could be experiencing a health issue or facing some personal challenges. It's important to approach such situations with empathy and understanding.
Go away.
I will when you open the door, please.
No, go away. Please leave our house.
Well, you know what? You better stop this, Megan, because you're going to be in a lot of trouble.
Stop what? Nobody's doing anything.
Oh my gosh. What kind of... No,
What are you
Megan.
talking about?
What? Megan, you better stop talking to me. I could be your mother. And
I
you better
asked you to not slam the door. You are not my mother.
Nobody slams the door on you. You're pathetic and you're a
All
sick
I said was
person.
stop slamming
You
the
are
door.
a sick person. I'm sorry. No, Nick, you know
need
what?
to go away.
I have a right to say what I would like to say. And you are in
I've asked
a
you
lot
to
of
leave my
trouble.
door.
You are going to be in a lot of trouble. You're sick. You are a sick person. You are a
You're
sick person.
harassing us.
And I feel so sorry for your husband and your children. That's
I'm
all I
gonna
have to
send
say.
this to the
But don't
HOA.
you dare say, I don't, what?
I'm sending this to
I
the
don't care.
HOA. Please
What?
stop. I've asked you to leave my door. You don't belong up here.
Oh, heavens to Betsy. You know what? You are, and don't you ever tell me that I'm an effing cunt. Don't you dare say that.
You're acting like one
brat.
right now.
No, you're a brat. And what
Why
kind
are
of
you up here screaming at my door? I'm
Oh.
trying to watch TV with my family.
Okay, then go ahead.
Are you drunk?
And like I said, don't you dare me? No, I don't think so.
You're up at my door acting
Don't
crazy.
you ever taunt me again. Don't you dare tell me that I'm an effing cunt.
What?
You understand me?
You're acting like one right now. I haven't called you a cunt
Oh,
today,
heck.
but you are acting like a
No.
cunt.
You are sick.
Get away from my door.
I am.
Bye. This is harassment.
Oh my God.
You're not harassing. You're going to need to leave her alone.
It's harassment. You don't belong on the third floor. You have no friends up here. There's no reason for you to be up here. You have no business up here. You have no business.
Come up there.
Please just leave us alone.
Yes, but she's sick. She is terribly an ill person. I know. But I'm angry.
Please leave.
Look at Nick, look and see the device that she's got on her front door. Unbelievable.
Please get away from my door.
Oh, heck. Just go to heck.
Why are you up here yelling?
I'm not yelling, not like you.
I asked you to not knock on my door and to stay away from the third floor. You have no business up here. The HOA has asked you several times not to come up here.
Stay over here.
Oh, no, yeah.
Go ahead.
No, Kathy, come on.
Go right ahead. My goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness.
That's a cool device.
It is.
Oh, that's a cool device. Good.
Thanks for joining me on this spine-tingling journey through the realm of doorbell encounters. I really do hope these chilling and unforgettable moments have left you with a renewed sense of caution and curiosity. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content and to leave a comment down below.